Go.
Most Americans know that we have four branches to our military. Traditionally, the Army fights on the ground, the Navy in the sea, and the Air Force in the air. What does the Marine Corps do? As a former Marine myself, I'm going to tell you what the Marine Corps does, why they exist, and share with you some of my personal experiences from my time in the Marine Corps. The Marine Corps was started by a resolution of the Continental Congress on the 10th of November in 1775. The first enlistments took place at Tun Tavern, which is a bar in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 10th of November 1775 is the day that Marines still celebrate as their birthday today. After the signing of the Treaty of Paris, which ended the Revolutionary War, the Marine Corps was disbanded. On July the 11th of 1798, the Marine Corps was reestablished. The first engagements that the Marine Corps took a part in after the Revolutionary War was in fighting the Barbary Pirates. At that time, the Marine Corps did not really fight much on land. Most of their fighting was done on the open seas, from ship to ship. The next campaign that the Marine Corps took part in was the War of 1812. They fought alongside of Andrew Jackson at the Battle of New Orleans. In the American Civil War, the Marine Corps had one battalion that fought at the Battle of Bull Run. After that, they were stationed aboard naval ships, and they did not really see very much action in the American Civil War because of the lack of a Confederate Navy. They just really didn't have anyone to fight. During the First World War, the Marine Corps earned most of the prestige that it enjoys today. They earned two of their nicknames. The first to fight, because they are the first to be sent in to almost any engagement that we participate in. The other nickname, Devil Dogs, was earned at the Battle of Bellewood. Oddly enough, the nickname was given to them by German soldiers. The German soldiers said that the Marines fought like hounds from hell. In World War II, the Marine Corps played a vital role in the Pacific Theater. They fought at Okinawa, Iwo Jima, Tarawa, and Guadalcanal. 485,000 Marines served in World War II. 87,000 were killed or wounded. 82 Marines received the Congressional Medal of Honor for their service in World War II, which is the highest award that a military service member can receive. During the Korean War, the most important battle that the Marine Corps took part in was the Battle of the Chosin Reservoir. It was at this battle that every Marine, whether he was an infantryman or a cook, picked up a rifle and fought against the Chinese and North Koreans. 255,000 Marines served during the Korean War. In the Vietnam War, the Marine Corps did not have a separate mission from the Army. They served alongside one another. The Marine Corps maintained a troop strength of 85,000 Marines inside the country of Vietnam at all times. 13,000 Marines were killed and 88,000 Marines were wounded in Vietnam. In the current wars going on in Iraq and Afghanistan, the Marines still play a pivotal role. In Afghanistan, the Marines engage in mountain warfare against the Taliban. In Iraq, which is where my experiences led me, they engage in house-to-house fighting against insurgents. When I was serving in Iraq, I participated in IED patrols. Me and a team of 12 other Marines would load up trucks in the middle of the night and go out looking for improvised explosive devices that were placed by insurgents to kill American service members. We would find them and destroy them. I also ran a vehicle checkpoint on the Syrian border, not 10 miles from the biblical city of Damascus. The United States Marine Corps has been vital to American military success in almost every war this country has ever fought. Since its humble beginnings in a bar in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, they have become one of the most prestigious military organizations in the history of the world. From fighting the British in the Revolutionary War to earning the nickname Devil Dogs at the Battle of Belleau Wood in World War I to the current combat in the Middle East, they have always proven true to their motto, Semper Fidelis, always faithful.